been lucky enough to be able to try something new again, which is very innovative. From the company Technofox New Cleaning Agents, where we can clean the spray guns, everything related to lacquer, filler and paint. The guns can be cleaned safely and in an environmentally neutral way. So cleaning, that means scrubbing for us.
Our sales representative came by to see us. He suggested that we test the product for a month. He would have let us test another product too, which we also did. And so we finally decided on Technofox. The Technofox system is certainly a good alternative to solvent cleaning for us. The Technofox system has 0% solvent, which automatically leads to better health. The people also feel safer. It's safer to work with the Technofox cleaner.
Well, personally for me, it was easy because it's simple to use. We've used one before where you have two components. This one is just one and it works. And you don't have to do much. You don't have to deal with maintenance anymore. It cleans very well. It was actually the most effective of all the ones we tried. I would stick with it. So the question doesn't even arise.
You notice it when cleaning afterwards, when you go over it again with the cleaning cloth, that they shine. They just look like they were freshly bought afterwards. Primarily we chose Technofox because we wanted a system where we use less solvent. We had a huge consumption of solvent. We refilled our previous washing device several times a week and saw the chance with Technofox to bring this solvent consumption down. Of course, also from the economic side, we have fewer expenses. Also from the health side, we have fewer fumes in the air. And finally, Technofox was the most compact. It covered everything we simply wanted from its use. And Technofox brought the same cleaning result for all products. Competitors actually didn't manage to do that in this round. Unfortunately, I would say the handling was the easiest, and in the end, the result was simply better than with the others, to put it simply. So for us painters, it's important that we don't have a huge amount of work with the system. And that's the point, that we don't have to deal with it anymore. The sales representative comes by and replaces the items. If something is wrong with the device, it's repaired or replaced. We have absolutely nothing more to do with it. And that's the biggest advantage for us. We don't have to worry about that. Because we don't always have time to chase after things, to take care of them. So we feel very well looked after.
That's one of the most important things for us.
So they order significantly fewer solvents and thinner barrels than they used to. Right now, you don't really know when you last bought or stored a barrel. It's decreased significantly.
G&G is also extremely committed to environmental protection. We have a waste management plan where we already separate everything. And that was certainly one of the reasons why we chose this system. Since I'm so satisfied with the performance, the cleaning performance, for me, it's outstanding. It pays off knowing that.
Yeah, at first you have to see how to handle it, but after a week you don't even think about it anymore.
But it's a transition, and you have to let go of the old ways first. You have to give the system a chance, I must say. If you don't have patience at the start, when things aren't always perfect, and that can happen, but it's just a matter of getting used to it. Once you have the routine down, it works perfectly. So I wouldn't say we have more issues than we did before. Technofox has definitely proven its worth.
When I think of all the thinner we used to buy all year round with those barrels, just the storage alone, which is very dangerous, we certainly don't have that anymore. So I have to say we're really happy because the material we use to clean the spray guns today is sensationally good for us. As the G&G Body Shop team, we're very happy to recommend this to my colleagues in the industry because Technofox, it's truly a step forward for the entire industry and something we can all benefit from together. I truly believe that with Technofox, we're making a really significant contribution to the environment, the overall health and well-being of our employees, and for the benefit of future generations.